Alrighty, so let's get to it then. So this package from Modcloth I got, I do have to admit, I got it like a week and a half ago or something, or maybe a little bit more. And I have already torn into it because I just couldn't help myself, you guys. I could not wait to open this package. I was so excited. So basically what was going on was they had a sale on sale. And so there's a bunch of things that I've kept in my cart for a long time that I've loved and wanted to get, but just couldn't shell out the dough for it, you know. So so a few of these items went on sale, and then they had a 40% off of sale promotion going on. I was in love. They were a lot of things that I have been putting off buying. They're kind of essentials that were a little bit more expensive, and I'm always like, oh, I really need new shoes, but I can't afford to get some new shoes right now. Like, it hurts, even though it's like a necessity. Like, I need shoes to walk in the world. So having them go on sale and then go on the 40% off was epic. I'm like, I got shoes that are normally like $60+ for like $20. So it was amazing. So let's get into it. So this beautiful peach box, loving it. Was so excited. Let's open her up. So I said that I had gotten shoes. Yeah, so I have like such a love-hate relationship with shoes. I usually find one really great pair of black booties that fit and are comfortable, and then I wear them into the ground. Like, I wear them every day in every weather situation. They get torn up, and I wear them to death for like 4 months, and then I have to get a new pair. I did get a bunch of shoes in here, and I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. So, the first item that I'm going to show you, they're by TUK, and they're a pair of flats, I believe, yes, and I love them. Like I said, I tend to just buy a black bootie. I really wanted to step outside my comfort zone, thank you, puns, and get something that wasn't black, basically. So these, I got a size 9 in the cognac color, I believe. And these cute little guys are cats. They're adorable. They have whiskers and a nose and little ears. And they're not just cute, they're also comfortable. I did try these on. I don't have very many flats because I'm usually really worried about like the edging and like this part hurting my heels. My heels, I don't know if they're just like really sensitive or just like years of marching band ruined them, but like literally I have so many problems with shoes. I hate breaking in shoes. I want my shoes to be comfortable when I get them. So these are really cute. To that point, I don't feel like these are gonna cut into my ankle at all or my heel at all. They feel comfortable and like a little bit loose, but not like so loose that I can't walk. And then also, one of my other problems with shoes, and I think this is a problem that a lot of people have, one of my feet is bigger than the other one, so either something's too loose on this one or it's like killing my right foot. So these shoes, I don't know if you can see, they fit nicely. I can walk in them, like it's not a problem. They're really great, and I'm really glad that I finally have something that is not black. I probably will save them a little bit, just because it's gross outside right now. I don't know if you're following the weather in Chicago, but there's snow and gook and everywhere, so I do not want to get anything like salt or anything on my nice new kitty cat flats. Second item I got was also a pair of shoes. I'll just do all the shoes first. They're from Rocket Dog. I really like Rocket Dog. I have bought shoes through them for a long time, and they weren't all through Modcloth. Like, they used to sell at Payless, I think, too, and other places, and I think you can just order from them online as well. But I love Rocket Dog, and they also have really comfortable shoes. I'm so excited about these. I'm going to wear these to the concert that we're going to on Monday. I'm going to the Panic at the Disco concert. Woohoo! And these I bought in a size 8.5, which I would say is my normal size, 8.5. Sometimes I'll size up to 9 if I'm worried that it'll be too tight or something. But usually an 8.5 does it. So these are adorable. They lace up in front. They have a little bit of a heel. It is maybe a smidge more than I would normally do. I get so annoyed. So many shoes out there have such a high heel, and I'm just not about it. Like, I don't have time for it. Like, they're cute in a still image, like, but if I'm gonna actually go somewhere in these shoes, this is way better for me. And like, this is going to be better for my everyday, but I could go a good 3-4 hours in these probably. Haven't tested it out yet, so maybe don't quote me on that, but they're so cute. We'll see after the concert how I feel about that statement. They are so cute. Yeah, I love them. Cute little heel booty. Yeah, I love these. So thrilled, as they are like a little bit cuter and a little bit more elevated style, and I should just invest in more shoes so that all of my shoes have a little bit more shelf life. That is one thing that I will say, like, I don't know, people make the joke or like assumption that like women have all these shoes, and I do have like a bunch of shoes, but they're mostly shoes that I'm hanging on to that like aren't good anymore. And I don't mean that like I'm tired of them. I just mean like they're dead. Like, I don't know. I think people tell me I drag my feet. 8.5 for the booties. Get a little bit more snug because you're gonna like lace them up. Flats I tend to size up a little bit just because of like the cutting into my heel. So along the lines of that, I did get a third pair of shoes. And they're actually not in this box right now because I had to exchange them. I did get another pair of flats. They are super cute, and they're also cats, and I love them. They are from one of my favorite shoe brands. I had gotten another pair of Lolly in the Sky, and I love them, and that's why I was so excited to order this pair. And they have like cute little like gold details for the whiskers and the nose and such. I ordered it 8.5, and I wasn't paying attention, and they did not fit. So I had to send them back, and they were out of 9s. So I've exchanged for a 10. So we will see how those fit. I hope they fit because they're so cute. Lolly in the Sky. They are wonderful. I believe their website says that all their shoes are handmade. It just seems like so much love and care goes into every pair, and they are squishy. They are like so comfortable to like have your feet in. They breathe, and they have a little L logo thing on the side, which I love for Lolly in the Sky, but also love for Lindsay and Lovely Red Fox. I really hope that they fit because they're really cute, and I love the brand. Moving on, next, so I got 2 pairs of socks. One that has cute little squirrels with their little acorns, and one that has hens and chicks and eggs. So I love them. I love little like novelty socks. Plus, oh wow, we are just having like a whole lowdown on feet today, but I hate ankle socks. I hate they make my ankles cold. So, and we live in Chicago, so I like tall socks, and they have a fun print, and they feel like they're going to be comfortable, and they're nice colors. So bravo on the socks, Modcloth. Loving them. Haven't tried them on, but I'm sure they'll be great. I ended up getting this skirt. I have already worn it multiple times. I had gotten another skirt earlier this year, for Christmas actually, and it looked like it had a similar like pleating and like top band style. So I had a feeling that I would really like this one, and it was final sale, like I couldn't exchange or return it, so I'm really glad that I got this and that it was wonderful. It's like a T-length cut, so it's like below the knee, and I love the pleating. I love this, like a skater skirt. Those are the kind that look best on my figure. I love that it's gray. It'll match a lot of things, and I like the little lace detailing, the eyelash lace, in black on it. So it's super great. I got this in a size large. It fits great, it feels great, and it has pockets, as all great skirts do. So I love this one. So that's everything that I got in my shipment. Oh, and I forgot to add that the skirt was like $12 or something. So it was like insane deal, especially from Modcloth, because they have such high quality items that it's really just crazy. So all in total, I got 3 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of socks, and the skirt, and I think I spent $100. So that's epic. So excited, so happy to get this box from Modcloth. I love Modcloth, and I will continue to shop there for a long time. So hope you've enjoyed this haul video, mostly centered on shoes and socks. I hope you've enjoyed. If you liked the video, like it, comment on it, anything down below, and let me know how you like this video, if you want to see more, or if you have any other questions. Yeah, so have a lovely day. This is the Lovely Red Fox signing off.